a bit smoking. Still smoking.
Hi guys. So today it's gonna be a fun video to watch. I'm gonna show you the mistake I was doing all the time before. So here is my testing space when I get new radios. When new radios arrive to my warehouse, so I do test them here and I do clean them here. And for some radios I do use regular standard ICO connector, but for others I use this one, battery charger. And this one has 12 volts and 24 volts, and I always when I test radio which has 24 volts, after testing it I always forget to switch back to 12 volts. And when next radio coming in next day or day after, it's always on 24 volts, and I'm testing the radio and it's blowing up. So today is gonna be a fun video. I have a trash radio here. It's not worth fixing. The screen is it's completely rubbish. CD player don't work, and it's cheap radio. So let's do the test and let's have a look how this radio it's blowing up. Okay, so it's playing, it's working now, and let's turn it 24 volts. 24 volts, and bye bye beautiful radio. It's needed time, just a little bit time. Imagine now the radio is working. Okay, I'm checking I'm watching what's wrong with it, what's good with it. In a minute. Maybe give them more. Smoke is coming. Fun, huh? So I did maybe 20 times for good radios, like for the radios which is really worth money. Thumbs up, guys.